Why is it that so many people are looking at Mahogany Bay Village as a potential investment destination, relocation destination? Why are there hundreds of homes being built here? Why are commercial businesses opening up here every month?
Opportunity.
I feel at home when I'm here.
Coming home and going back to the States is secondary.
It's exceeded our expectations.
This is your March Mahogany Bay Village update. So what is it really like to live here? We spoke with the homeowners to find out.
For Belize, it's unspoiled. And one of the things is that when you're here, there's just so much, and I don't think it's kind of endless. The food, being able to actually sometimes go and pick your food and have it literally cooked for you, whether you're going out fishing or whether or not you have it at the market, and being able to get the fresh food. You know, we always say we feel a lot more healthier when we come here.
For me, it's the people. I mean, I come here and you probably don't remember this, but there was a show called Cheers, long time ago. I'm probably dating myself right now, right? But the theme song said, "You want to go where everybody knows your name." And I feel like that's Belize, everybody knows your name, and you come and you feel welcome. And there's a warmth and a genuineness here that I've never seen anywhere else.
We decided that we didn't realize that we had both had an interest on living on the island. She's the researcher. Belize kept hitting at us. So finally took a 4-day trip here to Belize. We met with Chris, our realtor, and things just took off from there. Chris took us on the boat and we went over to Secret Beach and looked at some properties there. We came back over here to Mahogany Bay and we looked at the property that we're currently in, and we walked away with 3 properties.
Before, 5 years ago, we'd never thought about building in a foreign country. Right. Never. Once we started engaging with everybody during the process, it was just amazing. From Chris, just took good care of us. And then, Jenny, CMSB, builder, Rigoberto. It has been beyond our expectations.
Yes,
so we have been in operation less than 2 months now, and almost half the year is booked up. We had all of January booked, all of February booked, most of March booked, and it has just exceeded our expectations. And I think we told you that originally we had planned to live here. We were just gonna let it sit until we moved here. And now we're like, okay, this is a rental property. This is an Airbnb property. This is no longer a place that we're gonna live. It's unique because it's a property, an intimate property for 2, but you have an outdoor pool with a swim-up bar. You have an outdoor kitchen.
You want a really romantic getaway, perfect place. We cater just to the couple, so just a really nice place.
Hello, I'm Carla McDonald.
And I'm Robert McDonald, and we are the owners of the Black Orchid at Mahogany Bay. We first came to Belize because our eldest daughter and her husband had been traveling around the Caribbean, Central America, and they came across Belize, came back to the US and told us about it, and told us they wanted to buy a business in Belize. But before they did that, they wanted us to come check it out. So we agreed to come to Belize and see if we saw the same thing they did. And ultimately that's exactly what happened, and we did. And they talked to us and gave us the opportunity to invest in a B&B on the island here in San Pedro. And that was in July of 2022.
So on a subsequent visit to the island, we had friends with us and we learned about Mahogany Bay. So let's check it out. We came south on the island and fell in love with it. Immediately bought a lot over in phase 2, but after that we said we'd like to invest in an actual home instead of waiting to build. So that was the next step, was to purchase the Black Orchid. Our first visit, and Hassan, the comfort level and his explanation of the vision of Mahogany Bay, were impressed with his knowledge, then his introduction to M&B, as well as, some of the things that we needed to do to the home here, the Black Orchid specifically. And speaking with Cooter, we've had an amazing interaction with everyone on the team that we've been involved with.
The occupancy rate has been very high since we initially got it on the market in late August. In fact, we were going to stay here in August. It had just been on the market for about a week. And then we get notice somebody's booked it. So we had to find another place to stay. By October, it had ramped up to where we were almost completely booked in October, and it's just been sailing along since then. Excited about it, for sure. And certainly that's, if it hadn't performed, we wouldn't be looking at some other opportunities within the community.
And it's stories like these that continue to draw people to Mahogany Bay. Now we are inside a completed modified head sail canal cottage. So typically this layout has the same 2 bedrooms. Technically they usually have a 3rd bedroom here that you could use and 2.5 baths in the head sail. And most of this space is really kind of dead space up top or attic space. I love what they've done in this one. So you have 2 bedrooms on the main floor with 2.5 baths. Then on the 2nd floor, you have a loft with an office area and a king size bed. No bathroom up top, but it gives you a total of 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and a ton of open space. In the regular plan, typically this is a bathroom right here and a long walk-in closet, but that's been changed to give you this beautiful dining area here. And when you come into the kitchen, you'll see that they've got this awesome little pantry nook. But my favorite part of this home is what they've done out here on the deck, having this awesome little living space here. Then you've got your pool, a bunch of day beds out there. This is just Caribbean living at its finest. And this home is officially entering the rental pool. So we'll link it below in the description so you guys can book it. From here, let's keep looking at completed homes. Now we are in another completed home. This is a 5-bed, 4-bath outrigger in phase 2, but this home's got a few little tricks up its sleeve. So not only does it have the outdoor grilling area, wraparound deck here, you also have the pool, but more importantly than that, you have the jacuzzi, the outdoor grilling area, and a ping pong table. You heard me right, guys. This home has a ping pong table, so you can jump in the pool, play a little ping pong, then you can jump in the jacuzzi while you're grilling your steaks up. But let me tell you about the inside of this home, because it's got a lot going on here too. So on the main floor here, you've got 3 bedrooms, all with an ensuite bathroom. 2nd floor, you go up, you have 2 more additional bedrooms. One actually has a bunk room in it, so there's 3 beds in that room, larger bunk beds, so you can accommodate a lot of guests in here, which is gonna make it a great family home, a great friend's home, or a great rental home. And the homes, they just keep getting better. Our next completed home is technically a 5-bed, 3-bath, but let me break down the specifics of this. So on the main floor here, you have 3 traditional bedrooms. You also have a loft, which you technically could count as a bedroom that has 2 double beds up there. You have 2 baths in this main home, but you also have a attached guest casita with an ensuite bathroom. So total of 5 beds, 3 baths. What you'll notice consistently in Mahogany Bay is these homes are designed for entertaining. They're designed for lifestyle. They're designed for Caribbean living. They're designed to accommodate what renters want out here. They don't want to be in a tight condo. They want to come with their friends. They want to enjoy the amenities. They want to have the pool out front. They want to have the boats out front, quick access to town. So these are the things that people are really looking for, and also have a high quality product where they can live in if they're moving down here. So that's what Mahogany Bay has been built around, and why it has become one of the top areas in Belize and in the Caribbean, one of the top upcoming areas in Ambergris Caye. So if you want to learn more, guys, I'm going to show you this right now. Scan the QR code over here if you want to learn more about how you could own a home. If you want to learn more about owning a lot, any of that, we can help with that. But seeing the quality of the completed homes makes me very excited for the future of Mahogany Bay. Okay, I gotta tell you guys, there are some major updates coming to Mahogany Bay Village, and I gotta tell you about them right now because they are crazy. So first and foremost, I'm standing in phase 2, right at the bay here. You'll notice a lot of stuff going on behind me. You have a couple boats over here with a beautiful dock, a little check-in area here. This is going to be an area for hotel guests and homeowners to take a shuttle over to Secret Beach. I'm gonna tell you all the specifics on that in 1 second. To my right though, more importantly for all my drinkers out there, we have a bar which faces the sunset. In my professional opinion, you can never have too many bars that face the sunset. It's just an impossibility. You can't do it. But who's gonna run this bar? This bar is gonna be run by one of my favorite restaurants on the island, of course. I'm talking about Cool Beans. Let's hear from the owner of Cool Beans about exactly what they're gonna do over here.
Hi, my name is Ivan Romero, proud owner of Cool Beans Cafe and Bar. Cool Beans Cafe is known for our breakfast and lunch, mocktails, handcraft cocktails, homemade liqueurs. What made we decide to open a bar in Mahogany Bay? An opportunity came up. We would like to expand. We believe that it would be a perfect fit for that opportunity at Mahogany Bay. Welcome to the bar, where you can sit back, sip, relax while you wait for your boat. This is the main bar where all the magic happens, from handcraft cocktail, display of our homemade liquor, or the seatings. We're planning to have relaxed lounge ceilings where you feel like you're on the beach, relaxing while waiting for the boat.
So that is going to be amazing. But now let's talk about the boats, because one of the key benefits of being in Mahogany Bay is that all the properties here are waterfront. So you could get a private boat if you want to ball out for the day, but maybe, you know, it's just one of your extra days on your trip, or you don't want to spend that much money. Watch your step here, guys. When you're coming here, watch your step too. You can utilize the boat service as a hotel guest. So basically, everyone will get one free ride over to Secret Beach on the boat, enjoy the beautiful turquoise waters on one of the two M&B boats here. And then from there, there'll be a small fee that you can pay to go as many times as you want on your trip. Now, there's a couple benefits. If you're living here, it's great to know this service is available for you and your family and friends. But for our investors out there, this helps your bottom line as well. Adding in this service, offering people a shuttle service to go to the beach, the boat ride, the experience, it's going to increase your nightly rental rates. So great service, exciting update. We'll have more about exactly what that fee will look like coming in the future here. Now, right beside our beautiful entrance into phase 2 over here, you have the new sewage system, which is getting installed right now. And we're gonna get some details on exactly what the time frame and what's going on here with this are.
Hi, my name is Russell Chuck, owner of Flow Pros Construction Services. I'm currently here in Mahogany Bay, phase 2, where we're installing the wastewater infrastructure. We are currently installing the low pressure vacuum system. It's the first of its kind in the country. We're installing the 4-inch HDPE main lines on the secondary streets. We have been installing mains since August of last year. We're aiming to complete this project within the next 6 months. With that said, the benefits of this vacuum system is that it, one, eliminates excessive trenching or deep trenching, and two, it eliminates the need for individual cisterns per customer or per lots. That's all I have for you guys today.
Now, one of the reasons why I'm never leaving Belize is because the streets in Mahogany Bay have officially been named, and it just warms my heart. I just drove by 4 of them. You've got Buttonwood Street, you've got Coconut Street, Palmetto Street, all beautiful names. Another big update here in Mahogany Bay. And a very minor but important update in Mahogany Bay is keeping the gate beautiful. The beautification, keeping it white, keeping it fresh. So you know when you're driving to Mahogany Bay, you're driving in to one of the top communities in Belize.
But beyond the homes and amenities, it's the people behind the scenes who help make it all possible.
I'm security guard here in Mahogany Bay, and I help keep people safe and comfortable.
I'm a barista here at the farmhouse, and I get to start people's morning with a coffee and a bright smile.
I'm the sales clerk here at the atelier. I help people find what they love in a Tulum style space.
I'm the office assistant at Remax, and we're building something in the community.
And that growth is happening all around us.
Now it's time to talk about how many homes are under construction, which stage they're at, and where they are within the community here in Mahogany Bay. And there, as always, there's so many homes under construction that we're going to be looking at. So Mahogany Bay consists of 16 streets in total, which we have 8 streets in phase 1 and 8 streets in phase 2. And we're gonna break all of this down right now for you. So let's look at the overall stats right now. There are 207 seawalls under construction with 84 completed homes, 36 base projects. That's where someone selected one of the plans that one of the architects already has ready and built that exact plan, with 8 custom projects, total of 43 homes under progress right now. Now let's break it down street by street. So you have 16 streets in total, 8 streets in phase 1, 8 streets in phase 2. Now let's start phase 1, street 1. You have 19 seawalls total, 17 completed homes. That's one of our immediate build time frame streets that's actually almost fully completed. Moving on to street 2, you have 1 base project under construction and 1 custom home under construction, as well as a seawall. Street 4, you've got 34 seawalls, 24 completed homes, 2 base projects going on currently on street 4. That's another completed street that is just about done. And in Mahogany Bay, it's important to note that the streets are divided based on build time frame. So in order to try to keep things organized and where is construction happening and when it's happening, try to keep that all together, the streets are divided based on a build time frame. So 4 is one of the immediate build time frames. 5, you have 16 seawalls, you have 6 base projects under construction and 10 completed homes on that street. On street 6, you have 21 seawalls, 6 completed homes, and 7 base projects under construction. Street 7, you have 17 seawalls, 8 completed homes, 5 base projects under construction. Street 8, you have 2 seawalls and 1 custom project there. So overall in phase 1, 110 seawalls, 65 completed homes, 21 base projects and 2 custom projects underway. Let's move on to phase 2 now. Phase 2, there are some differences. Phase 1 is more complete. That's one of the big advantages of being there. Phase 2, you have wider canals. So as opposed to the approximately 30 feet canals in phase 1, you have 100-foot wide canals roughly in phase 2. So on Street 1, phase 2, you have 7 seawalls, 1 completed home and 2 base projects underway. Street 10, you have 3 base projects and 2 custom projects. On Street 3, phase 2, you have 14 seawalls, 7 completed homes, 1 base project and 1 custom project. Street 4, phase 2, you have 14 seawalls, 4 completed homes, 2 base projects under construction. Street 5, you've got 10 seawalls, 2 completed homes, 1 base project under construction. Street 6, you have 8 seawalls, 2 completed homes, and 1 base project under construction. Street 7, we got 14 seawalls, 4 base projects, and 1 custom project underway right now. And on Street 16, we have 15 seawalls, a base project, and a custom project underway. So back to our total stats, there are about 43 homes currently being built with many more coming. And if you guys are wondering how you could add maybe 1 more home into that, scan the QR code over here. The RE/MAX team is more than happy to help get you guys all the information on how you could own a beautiful waterfront home in Belize, in Mahogany Bay. Scan the code. And we're in the listings now. Let's talk about a great deal in phase 1 on Street 6 here. This is lot, hold on, my phone is ringing. It's a potential buyer for the lot. These lots are going quick. These lots, I'm telling you guys. Hey, are you inquiring about the lot on Street 6? Let me, yep, okay. Yeah, we'll look at, sir, I'll just call you back. We're just finishing filming a video here. The lots are going crazy right now, guys, but this one is listed at $175. It is on the front of Street 6. One of my favorite benefits of being in this location is you're close to the bay here. You're close to all the amenities of phase 1, and there is more development going on in phase 1. So lots of homes going up here on Street 6. If you want to get more details on this property right here, scan the QR code right here and we can help get you all the info. Next up, we have another phase 1 lot. This is lot 287 on Street 5. Now, what I love about this lot, again, phase 1, lots of homes being built. You can see to my left, there are a couple big homes going up here, which is great. Progress on the street. So this lot's listed at $200,000. Again, 50 by 75. And there's a lot of development on Street 4. It's one of the fully completed streets, so you won't have to worry about construction across the canal because it's essentially done. So this is an amazing opportunity. Again, QR code is over here. Now we're standing in a very rare opportunity. This is a 5-bed, 4-bath listing in Mahogany Bay, but this isn't just any listing. This is one of the best performing rental models within the community here. So you've got 3 bedrooms on the main level here, 2 upstairs, 4 bathrooms total. So it's prime for hosting larger groups. If you have a big family, you have a lot of friends that come out, or again, if you want to get in the rental pool and have one of the best performing models. Also just done up extremely well. Beautiful furniture, high-end finishings throughout this property. And of course you have a boat slip out front listed at 1.1 million. So one of our best opportunities in this video is going to be this home for someone that wants to walk into a turnkey opportunity in one of the best communities in Mahogany Bay. Of course, one final thing I'll say, this is located on Street 1. So most of the street is already built out and you're in a close proximity to the pool club and all the commercial amenities at the front of Street 1. So that is your March Mahogany Bay Village update for 2026. If you guys are interested in booking your vacation rental here for your next Belize trip, the link is in the description below. If you are interested in owning, scan the QR code over here. Maybe you have questions about moving to Belize, anything Belize related, scan the QR code. The RE/MAX team can help you guys out with that. Other than that, you already know, I'm never leaving. And we'll see you in the next video, hopefully down here, paradise soon. We out. Peace.